Today we're at the Rsupport booth with Mike Emersic, talking a little bit about RemoteCall for mobile. Mike, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. Well, today I'm going to show you the new add-on to RemoteCall, which is RemoteCall for mobile, support for mobile devices like Androids and other smartphones. So over here we have a common Android phone, the Google Nexus, and this is the representative's desktop where they would be initiating a support session to connect with their remote client. So on the Android device, there would be a RemoteCall application which can be downloaded from the Android market, or it can be preloaded on the phone by the telecom or the OEM, the manufacturer.
Gotcha.
They choose to preload it, which is obviously recommended. It makes the connection process a little faster. So over here on the representative machine, the representative will be running RemoteCall, and they can launch a support session, which generates the 6-digit connection code. They would relay this information to the customer, who would launch the RemoteCall app and enter in the code.
Is this Wi-Fi only?
This application actually works over Wi-Fi and 3G, and we're one of the only companies that supports fast switching on different networks. So you can switch between towers in real time without losing the connection, and even switch from a Wi-Fi to a 3G connection without losing the connection. So once the customer enters the code and they're connected, the representative will have instant access to basic system information, such as the model, the operating system version, battery life, connection, signal strength, and things of that nature. As well, we have access to the processes running on the phone, so we can get a quick look at what's actually running in real time and even end those tasks remotely. We have a list of applications installed on the phone, and we can see which ones are running, which ones are not, and you can even remotely uninstall applications from here. On top of that, we offer quick text chatting between the representative and the client to facilitate the support process. So they can talk over speakerphone while the technician is supporting the customer. They can also do text chatting here. I'll show you a quick example. The representative will send a message, show up on the customer's phone. And they can chat back and forth like that during the support process. Now, of course, we offer screen sharing and remote control, which is what everyone came to see. So when we click on the phone, we can view exactly what the customer sees in real time. And when we enable control, we can interact with the phone as if we were tapping and dragging right on the display. So if you see here, we can see both phones. Reacting in real time. We can launch applications.
Nice.
There's a look at Google Maps. We can open up settings menus. We can set up email settings, change the privacy settings, install or uninstall applications on the phone. We can actually remotely enable the speakerphone from here as well to enable that communication line.
Will the remote user always know when you're in control of their phone, or can you secretly jump on there and control it?
Not at all. Of course, the customer has to authorize the connection every time the representative wishes to connect with them. The customer actually has to enter the code and click connect, so it's a very secure process. Throughout the process, supporting will be displayed on the phone in the corner, so they know that their device is being accessed. As well, the customer can actually restrict viewing of their phone if they want to do something that they don't want the representative to see. So during the session at any time, the customer can swipe down the top menu and click on our screen lock option, and it will block viewing from the representative side. Now the customer can re-enable that view, or the representative can request to view the phone again. Customer just accepts that, and the screen sharing resumes.
Nice.
Now, we have not just the control aspect, but like regular RemoteCall, We have the ability to record the sessions for archiving purposes, so you can actually record videos of these sessions, play them back later for training purposes, or even for auditing support cases, as well as taking screen captures, and even drawing on the screen. If the customer doesn't want you to take control, you can view their screen, and you can just highlight portions of the screen that you want the customer to be aware of. So it's a great educational tool as well as a hands-on support tool. Now, at the end of the session, when everything's been solved, the customer can disconnect easily by opening RemoteCall and clicking disconnect, or the representative can simply close the RemoteCall viewer. Now, we just want to mention, besides the connection code method, if telecoms adopt this service, you can actually type in the customer's local phone number and send an SMS message to their phone. This allows them to connect in just one click without entering any codes. So we offer a lot of flexibility in the setup and different ways to integrate the solution.
Great. Sounds like a great solution.
It's working pretty well.
Thanks, Mike, for letting us know a little more information about RemoteCall for Mobile.
My pleasure. Have a great day.